So here we are with a new app which is Corona Helpline. So this app, you can even chat and call for steps to chat system and then call system. So chat. So let's tell me the precautions of COVID-19. Let's click on send. So send. Pretty string. Tell me the precautions of COVID-19. Wash your hands every 1/2 for 20 seconds. Maintain a 1 meter distance from everyone. Don't go in crowded places. Wear a mask when you go out. Always carry sanitizer whenever you go outside. Okay. Let's click on start and chat. So I am having corona symptom. What should I do? Click on send. So, oh, sorry to hear that. I suggest to consult a doctor and take medicines. And if after that also feeling unwell, then please have a corona test. Let's click on let's start a new chat. Now, I have recently encountered a COVID-19 positive person. What should I do? Click on send. I suggest to stay in home kind of a 14 but if you are experiencing any symptoms, please have a corona test. Let's click on back. Chat is over. Now let's click on call. Let's call. So let's call helpline number 1075. So let's call. So it's calling. Okay,
How may I help you?
Okay. So tell me the precautions for COVID-19.
Wash your hands every 1 hour for 20 seconds. Maintain a 1 meter distance from everyone. Don't go in crowded places. Wear a mask when going outside. Always carry a sanitizer whenever you go outside.
Okay, so this was actually the answer she gave. Thanks. So then I am having to listen what should I do? Tell.
Oh, sorry to hear that. I suggest to consult a doctor and take medicines, and if after that also you are feeling unwell, then please have a corona test.
Okay, thanks. Now I have recently interacted with a COVID-19 positive person. What should I do?
I suggest you to stay in home quarantine for 14 days, but if you are experiencing any symptoms, then please have a corona test.
Okay, thanks for the information. Let me end the call. So this was actually an amazing application which we are going to build today, Corona Helpline. So let's go to code.eduler and start making. Next, we have to create a new Apple project. Now, we'll go to design section and design our screen. So right now, I'm actually in the screen because the number of things are very large and we actually don't have such visual duration. So let's click on next. Import everything. The screen numbers are actually very. There are 14 screens. So let's go to this. If you can ask me for the project link, or else you can even listen to what I'm telling you right now. But if you don't want to ask the project links, then definitely I'm explaining each section here. So that's what you can do right now. So let me give a good theme to it. So well, I don't like that image. So let us make it default only. So Corona Helpline. So chat or phone. 2 buttons with 1 image. So image things are given in the description. Screen number 2 next. So screen number 2 is for the chat section. So when that chat button is met and the screen will get opened. So hi, how may I help you? Tell me the precautions. Then screen number 3. It is this giving answer for that. Then screen number 4. One more. Screen number 5 we have this button, start a new chat and all that stuff. Screen number 6, text area 1 and all these. Screen number 7. This is exactly what you can do. Just make it like what you want now for this call system. Call number is given here. We can make it read only. And this is actually not going to be call in real, but yeah. a helpful font. Then screen number 9, it is showing calling, and actually this is really nice. Then screen number 10, it is showing chat. Screen number 11, screen number 12, and screen number 13. Alright, so let's start coding our this application. So on event when button number 1 is clicked, then what's going to happen? Then it's going to set screen. Then it's going to set screen number 2. Alright. Then on event when button number 2 is clicked, you can simply copy it and then click on event when button number 2 is clicked. Then it's going to set screen number 8. Okay. Next, when I go to screen number 2 and when button number 3 is clicked, then what's going to happen? Then set screen number 3. So on event when screen number 3, on event when button number 7 is clicked, when button 7 is clicked, then it's going to set screen number 4. Set screen 4. And when I go to screen number 3, when button number 6 is clicked, then what's going to happen? When button number 6 is clicked, then it's going to set screen. Let's copy this one. Then it's going to set screen number 2. Alright. Then we go to screen number 4. On events when button number 8 is clicked, you can copy the same. On event when button number 8 is clicked, then it's going to set screen number 1. On event when button number 9 is clicked, then it's going to set screen number 2. You can simply paste the one we should copy now. On event button number 9 is clicked, then it's going to set screen number. Now the same will be copied on event when button number 10 is clicked, then what's going to happen? Then it's going to set screen number 6. Button number 10 is set screen number 6, so the same will be copied, paste it on event when button number 11 is clicked. Then it's going to set screen number 12. Then let's copy it, paste it on event when button number 12 is clicked, and it's going to set screen number 1. Then on event when button number 12 is clicked, then it's going to set screen number 8. So let's go to screen number 8. On event when button number 14 is clicked, then what's going to happen? When button number 14 is clicked, then it's going to set screen number 2. Set screen 9. On event when button number 15 is clicked, then button number 15 is clicked, then it's going to set screen number 10. On event when button number 16 is clicked, then it's going to set screen number 11. It's going to set screen number 11, and also it's going to play a speech. It's going to play a speech which is, then go to screen number 2. Screen number 3 actually. This one tells the precautions of COVID-19. I will the same just copy it. Okay, so then screen number 11. On event when screen number, when you just copy this part, on event when button number 17 is clicked, then it's going to set screen 12 and play speech which is, I'm having 7 happen. So screen number 4, we know how. Then copy this part, go to code and paste it. So next, go to screen number 12. On event when button number 19 is clicked, then it's going to set screen number 13 and it's going to play speech which is screen number 6 and 4, screen number 7, and paste it. Okay. Alright, let's go to screen number 13. And when this call button is clicked, button number on event when button number 20 is clicked. When button number 20 is clicked, then it's going to set screen number 1. With this, our application is all ready.